Hi guys, and this Black Shadow RCE SB. Today, uh, my older channel is not working right, so I made up a new channel. Uh, Please subscribe if you like this video. Now, today I'm going to talk about the history of the Rubik's Cube. This is the first Rubik's Cube, and this is the new Rubik's Cube, modern Rubik's Cube. Honor Rubik. He's the beginner of the Rubik's Cube, and it all started in 1974. And this is Honor Rubik. Uh, in the past, it was called as Magic Cube. It took a month to solve his own puzzle. Rubik to solve his own puzzle. Then, a couple of years later, the puzzle was renamed as Rubik's Cube, and it was going to release worldwide. The early years of the Rubik's Cube. Millions of cubes were sold, thousands were smashed, few were sold. In 1982, the first Rubik cubing competition was held on Budapest, Hungary. 20 people completed and American Mihintai won the competition in 22.95 seconds all. This is American Mihintai. However, at the end of that year, the puzzle's popularity went downhill. People lost interest in cube generating in these emerging crashing sales. The restructuring of the Rubik's Cube. People started publishing their methods of solving the puzzle. The Jessica Friedrich method. It was the famous method and it was later called as CIFAR. And this is the World Cube Association. In 2004 to 2007, more than 100 competitions were held. But there was a problem. The cube was stuck. And there was only all cubes on this shop. However, people started to make the cubing companies. And Diane. And this is Diane in 2004. This is Diane Guhong and this is Diane Singh. Diane was the best cubing manufacturer in early 2010s. The modern Rubik's Cube. It's now delayed 2010s and the cubing landscape has completely changed. To begin with Diane, it has fallen off and it has been replaced by Moyu and GaNCube. These two inventive companies have produced lots of cubes and have been adding new features like magnets to improve their cubes' performance and up prices. On the other hand, cubing retailers like Speed Cube Shop, the Cubicle Datas, significantly grown popularity, and they're the now biggest cube sellers out there. Hi guys, and this is the end of the video. Hope you like this. If you like this video, please comment and put the like, and please click the red subscribe button. Thank you.